What's up, everybody? John here from JohnnyOctave.com. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys this cool, easy beginner chord progression. Just 3 chords is all you guys need to know to play this chord progression. This chord progression is actually inspired by the tune Warning by Green Day. So if you guys get these chords underneath your fingers, you will have that tune. I just want to let you guys know that I have, if you don't know these chords, you don't know any of the basic open chord forms, I have a free ebook. If you guys just click on the link on the page that says JohnnyOctave.com, that'll take you to my website. And I have a free ebook there for you guys to download that has what I found to be the most useful chords for beginners. There's only a handful of these chords. I think probably, when I was beginning playing guitar, I got, somebody gave me a book that said, every chord you need. There are 1,500 chords in this book. And I thought, wow, 1,500 chords, that's a lot of chords. But I was motivated and thought I can do this. But the fact of the matter is that you guys really don't need to know 1,500 chords. You just need to know a handful to get started, and then you can go from there. So click on the link, download the free ebook, and get started with learning some of those chord shapes and some of the other information I have in there. There's a lot of good, cool guitar stuff happening in that ebook, so go download that. So what I want to do is I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to break these chords down just a little bit for you guys, and a little bit of the strum pattern. So let me zoom in and show you what's up. If you guys are taking this lesson and you know a version of any of these chords I'm about to show you, they'll work, just as long as you guys are playing the same notes, it'll all be fine. Just as long as it sounds the same, we're good. So this very first chord that I'm about to show you guys, A major. Okay, it's that chord there. Actually, let me do this. Let me show you what chords are in the chord progression, and then I'll break them down. So we've got A major, okay? The next chord in the progression is D major. That. And then the only other chord in the progression is G major. Okay? So A major, let's hop back to A major here. The way that I'm fretting this chord or fingering this chord is open A. I'll show you here. Open A. I put my second finger on the D string, 4th string, 2nd fret. I'm going to put my 3rd finger on the G string, 2nd fret. I'm going to put my pinky, or my 4th finger, on the B string, 2nd fret. Okay, so we've got these. Then I'm going to play the high E open. Okay? So that's our first chord. The next chord is D major. So what we've got there is an open D note, okay, 4th string open. The next note is your index finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, that note right there. And then we've got our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, so that'll be this. And then you're going to put your 2nd finger on the high E string of the 1st string, 2nd fret. That's the D chord. That's the 2nd chord you'll need for this progression. And then the 3rd chord is G. I'm going to go ahead and play the bigger version of G. You guys might see people play G like this, which is basically just your 3rd finger here on the 1st string, 3rd fret here. Okay, and that'll work just fine if that's the version of G you know. But I like this version of G, which is basically your 2nd finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Your index finger is going to go on the A string, 2nd fret. You have that. And then D and G, the open 4th string, the open 3rd string are open, so you're not fretting those strings. Okay? And then I'm going to put my 3rd finger on the B string, 3rd fret. 2nd string, and my pinky is going to go on the high E string, 3rd fret, right underneath my 3rd finger. That's the note, okay? So that's what we have there. Okay, so we have A major, Some people might play A major like this. I bar it. I've been known to do that from time to time. Okay. That'll be just fine if you want to do it like that. Some people do it 1, 2, 3, meaning your index finger, your second finger, and your third finger. You do it that way, totally cool. But I showed it to you guys 2, 3, 4. Okay. The next chord, the progression that we learned is D major. And then we've got G major. Okay. That's all you need to know for this chord progression as far as chord shapes go. So now what I want to do is I want to show you guys the strum pattern for this. It's just about as basic as the chord progression itself. So basically what you saw me do in the beginning of the lesson when I was playing the tune was really what I'm doing is down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up. And because there are two chords, A and D, are in the same measure, meaning if we have 4 beats in the measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to play A, 1 and 2 and for 2 beats, and then we're going to switch chords to D, 3 and 4 and, or down, up, down, up. You can just look at it like that. So it'll be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up. 2 beats on A. Down, up, down, up. 2 beats on D. Okay? Okay? And then we're going to switch to G, and that's the next chord in the progression. Okay? And a G is going to have 2 beats as well. So you're going to have down, up on G. And in this progression, we're going to go back to D. Down, up, down, up. Okay? So A, 2 beats. D, 2 beats. G, 2 beats. D, 2 beats. Okay? So that'll sound like this. Slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You guys have fun. Go download that ebook on johnnyoctave.com. Until next time, have fun.